Sausage scallopini? Veal scallopini? No, hot dog scallopini. Cuciniamo. Hey, good afternoon, everybody. Today is Saturday, January 24th, getting ready for the big snowstorm that we're supposed to get. Who knows how much snow we're going to get? They're saying 8 to 18 inches of snow. Who knows? So today I'm actually going to make another dish that my mother used to make. It's nothing really exciting. It's just different. If you like hot dogs, if you've made sausage scallopini, veal scallopini, well, this is hot dog scallopini. And it's good. It's delicious. I make it occasionally. Haven't made it in probably about a year or so, but I'm going to do it again today because that's what I'm in the mood for. So what I'm doing right now is heating up some extra virgin olive oil. I already pre-cut all my peppers. I've got 4 green bell peppers and 2 red bell peppers in here. I've got 1 medium-sized onion that I sliced up. And then I have 2 packs of hot dogs, beef hot dogs, that I cut lengthwise in half and then in 3 quarters or 3 sections. And that's going to go in there. I have my muti tomatoes, crushed tomatoes. I do not have muti tomato puree, so I'm going to improvise and use tutta puree. And I have mushroom stems and pieces to go in there as well as garlic and seasonings that I'm going to put in there. And I'll show you what I'm doing that when I put it in. First, what I'm going to do is put in the peppers to have them cook down because I do like my peppers soft. You could make this any way you want with regards to how, if you want your peppers crunchy or whatnot, but I like mine soft. So I'm going to put them in here for now and get those cooking. And then once they get soft, I'm going to add in the onions, and then I'll, as well as 2 cloves of garlic that I will mince through the garlic press and put those in there. The peppers are cooked to my liking, which is soft, as I said. Now I'm going to add in the onions, the sliced onions. Just going to put them off to the side right now in the pot, and then I'll mix them around once they start to cook as well. Get them little translucent, and then they'll mix around in there as well. Get them soft. I'm going to cover it to help get them soft quick. Onions are done, and now I'm going to add in the garlic. I'm going to crush some garlic in here. 2 cloves of garlic. Just mix that around with the onions. And then I'm just going to mix everything around now. I'm going to season this with some salt and pepper. Right now, when I add the tomatoes, I'll add more seasoning. Okay, I'm going to add in the hot dogs. Like I said, I cut them lengthwise in half, and then in 3 each long piece in 3 separate pieces. I'm going to add this in here now because I want this to get a little brown. Not brown, but cook in here. Mix that around with the peppers. So I think the hot dogs are done. I know when they're done or when I could start adding the rest of the stuff in is when they start to curl up on the ends. So they're done. They're all mixed in. And now I'm going to add in the mushrooms. I have really never added mushrooms into this when I make it. And I thought to myself, well, when I make sausage scallopini or veal scallopini, I add mushrooms. So why not add mushrooms here? So I'm just going to add 1 can of mushrooms. And these are mushroom slices and stems. And now I'm going to add in the Mutti crushed tomatoes. 1 can. This is a 28 ounce can. And then I'm going to add in a can of puree. This is Tutarosa. I don't have any Mutti puree. So I am going to add some onion salt, even though there's onion in there, just to season the tomatoes. Go around with some, not onion salt, onion powder, sorry. Some regular salt. Some black pepper. Too much, I always put it. And some garlic, granulated garlic. And I know there's garlic already in here, but this is just to season the tomatoes. We'll stir that. Get that in there. And then we're going to let this simmer on medium-low for 45 minutes to an hour. It's been about an hour. Actually, 45 minutes. So I'm going to taste some now. Just going to taste a little. Some hot dog, some peppers, some mushrooms, onions. I've got my crusty Italian bread. And this is hot dog scallopini. Very good. Don't knock this. I know some of the people think hot dog, oh, hot dog. But it's different. When you're in the mood for something different, it's easy. Make this. Let me know what you think about it. And that's it. Thanks for following, for those that follow.